Jai Swaminarayan. Now we are discussing about the ninth example. Let's just fastly recap it. 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, so area of land is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length of a land? 5. What is the breadth of a land? 4. So 5 4s are 20 meter square. Okay. Area of one flower bed square is equal to side into side, because area of side is equal to side into side. So 1 meter, 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 square meter. Okay. Now here he has dug 5 square bed. So area of 5 square bed is equal to 1 multiplied by 5. Okay. Next, area of remaining part of land is equal to 20 minus 5, it is equal to 15 meter square. Okay, fine. Now next, by splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. Now you can see in the book also, but you have to see in you have to see on the screen also. Okay, because the figure is given in the book. Just 1 minute. Everyone open your book. So I am going to explain the diagram first. Let's split up the diagram carefully, and I will tell you how I have taken the dimensions, and after that we will calculate. It is easier, but first of all you have to understand how I calculate the dimensions. Okay. Now first see the diagram on 219, page number 10. Get it? Okay. Now take a scale and divide the first A figure into 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. See here. First line is this one. We have to mark it with dotted lines. I will draw first with scale. It should be straight, okay, but dotted. Done? You can mark in book, and afterwards when you are solving in CW copy, you have to draw such like me. Okay, such like the diagram in screen. Okay, first rectangle done. Now second rectangle. You have to line from this point straight up to this one, and write here second rectangle. Done? Now third rectangle. You have to draw from this point straight but dotted. Okay, and this is the fourth rectangle. First, second, third, fourth. Done? Done everyone? Now first of all understand how I calculate the dimensions. Okay, so see here, this length is given 4, right? Now see here, up to this it is 3, that means up to this it is 1. Okay, and from see here, from this to this point it is 1. Okay, and if you see this line, it is same as it one, right? So from this to this point it is 2. Okay, up to this it is 2, and from this point up to this it is 1. So 2 plus 3, sorry, 2 plus 1 3, and this straight line it is 3. So this total is 6. Okay, now see here, see this total is 3, right na? Also now see here, this total is 3, but up to this it is 2. Okay, up to this point it is 2, and if we calculate from this point to this point it is 3. So how much it is? It is 1. That means this length is 1. Right here 1. So this total is 3. This is 1. That means this is 2. Okay, so this is 2. That means this is also 2. So it is already given. Okay, see here 4, 2, 1, then 6 is cleared everyone. How we calculated 1 is calculated, everyone understand? Okay, now we have to see how it is 2, right na? So see, from this point up to this point it is 3, right na? And we have just calculated from this to this it is 1. So from this to this point it is 2. Now if this is 2, then this one is 2. So how we are calculated? Because all are rectangles, and rectangles opposite sides are equal, that is this side and this side are opposite to each other, and their opposite and equal, that's why this is 2 and this is also 2. Okay, now this full total length. Okay, so let's see, up to this 1, okay, up to this 2, 3, okay, from this point to this it is 1, that is this total is 4. Now from this point to this point, if it is 4, then this is opposite side, so it is 4, right here 4. Okay, now see here, from this to this it is 2, so this total is 4. From this point to this point it is 2, then this is also 2, so it is 2, 4. So all dimensions are clear to everyone. It is not difficult, but keenly you have to observe it. Okay, understand the diagram carefully, then understand the rectangles characters. What character we have just clear here? So that is the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So see here, this 2 is, then we have right here 2. If this is 1, then we have right here 1. If this is 4, then we have right here 4, and if this is 4, then this is 4. If it is 4, then it is 2, then it is 2. If this one is 2, then its parallel line, that is this opposite side, is 2. Understand? Now it is easy to calculate. Okay, so see here, area of rectangle first. So see this first rectangle, what is its length? 4. What is breadth? 2. So 4 into 2 we get 4 to the 8 square centimeter. Now next, area of rectangle second. So see this second rectangle. So its length, total length is 6 and breadth is 1. So 6 into 1 we get 6 square centimeter. Okay. Now third, area of rectangle third. See here this third rectangle. So this width is 2 and this breadth is 3. So 2 3s are 6 square centimeter. Okay. Then rectangle of 4 is equal to, this length is 2 and this width is 2 and this length is 4. So 2 4s are 8. Get it everyone? Okay, the example is easy, but you have to understand how we split up this rectangle and how we calculate the dimensions. Okay, so don't think that it is critical or difficult. Understand the diagram, follow the character of rectangle, then you definitely make it.